Well, as Congress battles over the future of the Affordable Care Act, rural communities face an uncertain future. Proposed cuts to Medicaid could lead to billions of dollars in loss for rural areas. So coming up new at noon here, Alex Littlehales examines Virginia's latest efforts to keep people from being left behind.
People say things move slower in rural America. The pace of life that brings communities together also brings some of their biggest challenges.
In rural health care, there's already kind of an attitude, there's already an understanding that we're underserved.
Last week, Virginia's Secretary of Health submitted a $1 billion application to upgrade rural health care in the Commonwealth. It comes months after President Trump's spending bill, set to cut Medicaid spending by almost $1 trillion over the next 10 years. The threat of uncompensated care posing a potential threat for rural health facilities.
For me, as a clinic owner, I'm not able to help my patients if they can't come in the door and pay for their health care. And so then rates of diabetes and other chronic health conditions skyrocket.
Dana Stallings runs a diabetes clinic in Franklin. She's found Virginians there are at a high risk with fewer resources.
If you look at a map of the southeastern United States, there's actually something called the diabetes belt that goes down through the southern states, and we're right in the midst of that, particularly because we're rural, because we're in a food desert, we are in a medical desert.
The $1 billion application addresses rural health shortfalls in 4 categories. $400 million would go toward mobile health care expansion, preventative visits, and telehealth appointments. Another $132 million would be set aside for keeping and retaining physicians in rural communities. This spring, nearby Southampton Medical Center appeared on a congressional list of rural hospitals at risk of closure. It's unclear how much of this money could benefit this hospital and community specifically. In Franklin, Alex Littlehales for 13 News Now.